Hello viewers, second update on the PT. Dismantled the engine as I told you previously, cleaned it up really well, cleaned the water jacket as well. I had a good fight to take this rear bronze main bearing, cause by time this end got flared and I couldn't get it out. But I managed to get it out, cleaned the oil passage, it was blocked. That's why I like to rebuild my engines. Made the countersunk here as well to let more oil in the bearing. Because from previous engines such as the Worsley's and also the Ruston 2PS, apart from the connecting rod in the middle, there's no much oil in the gears and in the mains. In fact, the Ruston 2PS, they've added a bolt here to add oil daily. But anyway, found a little bit the bore as well. It's not the best because there's some rust, but we'll put new rings. It could have been better, but there's nothing you can do. These rings has much bigger gap. Some other parts here dripping from diesel. Also, that oil channel was very dirty. The felt seal. A good thing that I had the engine apart is because all of the water passages was blocked. None of them was open through the others. Air was not passing, and when I filled it with water, it stayed in each hole. But thanks to my mom's advice, I used some WC acid to try and get rid of the limestone scale, and so far so good, because I have these two. With these two, these are all matching. Now I just only need to open this hole with these. If I didn't took the engine apart or noticed this, obviously here would have been remained with an air cavity, and water would have only passed through this bit, because there's the brass fitting for the exit. Here's some acid going in the process. We'll leave that some hours. I left it last night as well, changing it, but it's doing its job. We'll leave it there. This acid only do harm to the limestone scale. For example, it's not doing any harm to the paint or to the metal. That's the stuff I'm using. Well, soon it will get all together. Regarding the magneto, it has a failures mag, as all the early PTs. Luckily enough for me, this coil is bad, I know, but I had checked that excuse me, previously in these years, and I believe last year or before I had 2 coils done. Yes, when I was doing the 6PB, since I was going to export it to UK, I checked all my engines to check which one of them needs coil redoing, and I had the spare ones, and I rewound them in UK. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.